Thank you for tuning in to Karash Handyman Services. Karash is about empowering community building through expert craftsmanship and knowledge. We work together to build better for you. This was a deck restoration and shed door restoration. There was significant dry rot on both projects, so I ended up replacing them. Remember, whenever you're replacing deck boards, you want to let them dry out if you plan on painting them or staining them later on. That way there's no moisture or water retention left in the wood. Usually takes around 30 days depending on your area and the type of wood. But when you do this and you allow it to dry out, you can assure that the paint or the stain will absorb properly into the wood and you have a nice, good coat. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy.